Team, I want to talk about companies you've never heard of that do cool things you have heard of. Or maybe haven't heard of yet, but should because they're awesome. Like the Slate truck, which I saw recently at a conference in Detroit, and has been making headlines for its $25,000 price tag. I originally assumed this new company came together the way any startup does. Raise money around a cool new idea to build a business. But that's not at all how it happened. A separate company focused on innovation built it behind the scenes. And what I find fascinating about this whole process is how it relates to investing, startups, venture capital, and private equity. And here's why. 93% of startups that become successful have to abandon their original strategy to get there. They don't succeed because they had the right idea. They succeed because they had enough cash left over when the original strategy failed. So pulling a bunch of money around an unproven new idea carries a lot of risk. Enter Rebuild Manufacturing, a collection of engineering and manufacturing operations focused on developing new products for startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. And they also do it themselves. Slate Auto didn't start as a startup. It started as an engineering and design challenge at Rebuild Manufacturing. The CEO, Miles Arnone, used $10 million of company capital to produce the no-frills electric truck. And what's great about this approach is it significantly reduces the risk associated with a single bet. Rebuild is well-funded, has cash flow from existing customers, and teams of designers and engineers with experience working together to develop these products. And I think this last bit gets frequently overlooked. Startups don't just have to get the business and product right. They also have to bring teams of new people together and hope that they enjoy working together. All of this without knowing if what they're working on will be successful. Humans sometimes don't like this, and it gets expensive when they don't. But the results are amazing when you have all the right people. Check out this video for some great examples. This is why companies large and small hire companies like Rebuild. It's hard to get it right from scratch. The associated trial and error is likely to cost you more than the margin that's built into the service, especially if it's a one-off project. While most companies stay focused on their core business, firms like Rebuild stay focused on the frontier of innovation and disruption, and combining the two can develop excellent insights. So what's so brilliant about a simple truck? Well, it was designed to the benefit of the end customer. If it wasn't a truck, it was out. The paint facility, gone. Plastic body panels mean no need for costly paint shops. The buyer gets a wrap kit instead in a color of their choosing. The infotainment system, also gone. The idea is that you just come in and plug in what you're used to using, like your iPhone. At one point, they even thought about removing air conditioning, but brought it back due to customer demand. They committed to just one vehicle model, fully customizable by the customer with electrical and mechanical APIs. That meant fewer parts, less manufacturing complexity, and drastically lower capital requirements. The final result was an EV design costing 10% of what most automakers usually budget, which should generate a fantastic return on investment. And an unintended consequence of this approach was also realized on the car lot. While traditional automakers have to have every model in every color with every trim, Slate Auto only needs to have a few trucks on the lot, because all of the customization falls to the consumer. That means a business that requires a lot less working capital. Once the prototype and design process were complete, Rebuild spun Slate Auto into its own entity, and the company quickly attracted investors, including Jeff Bezos' family office. Slate has raised over $700 million and purchased a 1.4 million square foot manufacturing facility in Warsaw, Indiana to begin production in 2026. And amazingly, they already have 140,000 trucks on pre-order. I actually watched people at the conference pre-order the truck with the QR code provided in the presentation deck. And their marketing is also hilarious. Like this ad focused on a human taxidermy owner featuring the Slate truck. Taxidermy family is explained as taxidermy for your loved ones. And they featured a picture of grandma wrapped on the Slate truck, exclaiming, "I'm stuffed." I don't know the specifics of how this $10 million investment panned out when they spun Slate Auto out of Rebuild, but I assume they recovered their investment plus some return. And I learned at the conference that they retained ownership of the new entity. That's a pretty amazing win for a company that already has 140,000 trucks on order. I think there's a lot to learn from this approach as it relates to both startups and private equity. And I plan to keep exploring it, so if you've heard of anything similar, please feel free to reach out. All right, team. Thanks for watching.